What's up, you guys? How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? So today, what we're gonna do today, as you can see, we're gonna make some fish. Actually, we're gonna make some fried fish today. It's gonna be fun. So come on in, join me, and let's get on this ride. So as you guys can see, I'm washing the fish. I'm using a little bit of vinegar in the water, not too much. Do not leave your fish to sit in the water when you use vinegar, because vinegar already starts pre-cooking the fish. So do not leave it to sit in the water for very long. Just pour in your vinegar and start washing your fish right away. I already had pre-washed this fish. I was not gonna make this video, and then I was like, you know what, let me give my guys something. Let me give y'all something, because I know I haven't been on here very much, so I just want to give you all a brand new fresh video, something different. So this is what it is. So while I am washing this fish, you guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click that notification bell so you can see when your girl upload all her brand new videos. And I will try to upload a little bit more often than what I've been doing lately. And just come on, you guys, let's get into the video. So I already washed the fish, you guys. I told you this was going to be a quick one. Always pre-wash your fish after you buy from the supermarket, just to get all those scales off. And that's it. Just make sure you wash your fish a little bit extra. Don't mind the little head you guys just see in the video. That's my daughter. She wanted to help me cook, so this is where we at. So right now, you guys, I am going to dry my fish, because I'm gonna fry it, so I want to dry it before I season it. So I'm just getting a plate so I can dry it and put it on that plate. Don't mind what I'm doing there, you guys. I did not think this through. You're gonna see what I mean in a moment. So I'm just drying the fish. I got a little bit more paper towel, because what I had was just not enough. So I got a little bit more paper towel to dry my fish off. And I'm just gonna do that for all the fish right there. So guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for your girl, so you can see whenever she uploads, you guys. Please share my video with everyone you know. If you love it, if you hate it, it's okay. Just share my video. Okay, you may not like it, but somebody else might. You don't know. Just share the love. Okay, a little share cost you nothing. Just share the love. So I'm just finishing off drying off the fish, you guys, and I'm putting them on the other plate. So you dry the inside and outside, you guys. You dry everything, because right now, after you dry the fish, you're gonna add your seasonings to it. So just dry the inside and outside of your fish, you guys. You guys are about to see what I mean by I wasn't thinking this through. We're on to the third fish. The plate is still holding. So we're still drying out our fish. Oh, this drying take forever. Should have fast forward through, but hey, we're going. So you guys, I'm down to the last fish, and there you go. The plate fell into the sink, but thank God it didn't fall into any water or anything like that. Like I said, I really did not think this through when you come onto the plate and put it at the side of the bowl. So I'm just drying the last fish, you guys, and then I'm going to lead into just seasoning my fish. So here we are, you guys. I'm done drying all my fish. I'm just moving that knife out the way, discarding that paper towel so I can get my seasonings together. And here we go. We're about to move into it. So I'm using fish seasonings, you guys. So this is the season of fish seasoning. It's one of my favorite seasoning here. It does not have a lot of salt, although it does come with some salt content. So be very careful when you're using these seasonings, because they do come with salt. So I use a little bit of fish seasoning, then I use a little bit of onion powder. Guys, I use onion powder and garlic powder in everything I cook, meat wise, rice wise, depending if I'm making rice and peas. So I use onion powder and garlic powder in everything I cook. So right now I'm just putting the onion powder on the fish. And you guys, as you can see, I did not just season the outside of the fish. I also seasoned the inside of the fish. So make sure you put the seasoning in and outside of the fish. I'm moving on to my garlic powder, which I kind of overdid on the fish because I used the big part, because that's powder, not fine chopped. So I use the big part and kind of accidentally dump an extra over there. But you know, I just take it and rub it up inside and outside of the fish. Make sure my fish is real seasoned. And you know, you take lemons and turn into lemonades. That's what life is about. So you make a little accident, you use it and make it better. So there you go, you guys. Cooking is not perfect. It's just meant to be fun and informative, and it's meant to relax you while you get an amazing meal to eat afterwards, you guys. So this is the reason why I love cooking, and this is the reason why I love sharing my cooking with you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. So those are all the seasonings I really put on there, you guys, plus a little black pepper. If I didn't show you that, I did put a little black pepper. So now we're at the stove, you guys. I put the oil to hot in a saucepan. So any saucepan you have, or even if you have a deep pan, you can also use that. I use a wooden spoon, you guys. So that's a trick to know when your oil is hot. Put the wooden spoon in the pot, and if the wooden spoon starts to bubble, then your oil is hot. So that's a trick for you guys. I'm flouring the fish a little bit. I want it a little bit floured, not too much. So you guys, the same seasoning you put into the fish, you put the same seasoning into the flour. So the flour will have some flavor, including salt, you guys. Salt and black pepper into the flour, so the flour could have some flavor. So I'm telling you guys, and I'll also leave it in the description box below. So I lightly breaded the fish while my oil is hot or heating up more, and then I just place the fish into the pot. So I'm basically gonna continue doing this until my fish is done. And I slice the side of the fish, you guys. I forgot to tell you that. I did not show you that on camera, but I did slice the sides of the fish. So when you're frying it, the fish doesn't plump up. That's why you slice the sides. So when you fry the fish, it doesn't plump up and get big on you. The oil kind of just seeps right into the sides of the fish and kind of just fry it from the inside out, which is amazing. And it tastes very good, you guys. I promise you, it tastes so good. So I'm just breading the second fish, you guys, just to put it. And as you see, you guys, I'm breading the inside and out because I need this fish to be crispy. But not only crispy, I need it also to be juicy. So I need it crispy and juicy. So I breaded the inside too. So that part of the fish is going to be nice and crispy. And then the full side part of the fish is going to be nice and juicy with that crispy outside. So you guys, I'm just going to continue that way for the entire video. You're going to see me breading the other two fish. So I'm just showing you guys the frying stage right now. The fish is in the pot frying. You fry each side, you guys, about 5 to 10 minutes, you guys. Then flip it. Fish is not hard to cook, you guys. Anybody can cook fish. You just have to be attentive and pay attention when you're doing it, because you do not want to burn your fish. You don't want to overcook it. Fish and shrimp are one of the easiest things to cook. You cannot go wrong. So you guys, I'm still frying it. The frying is still going on. It's gonna fry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it, you guys. And this is what's gonna happen in a few minutes. I probably essentially should have shortened this part of the video, but you get to hear me speak. So you guys, just drop me a comment below and tell me what you want to see me cook. Give me ideas. If there's something you want me to cook, tell me. It doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter if I know how to cook it. It doesn't matter if I don't know how to cook it. I will learn how to cook it for you guys and give you guys simple breakdown of exactly how to make it and make it delicious by throwing in your own twists and turns, because I never cook straight. I do not know how to cook straight. Everything I do, I have to throw my twists and turns in it. So you guys, so tell me what you want me to cook. So I am back, you guys, and I am turning my fish, and I'm going to leave those to cook on the other side for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then I take them out. So you guys, I basically do this. I had 4 fish, as you can see in the beginning. I basically repeat the purpose for the last 2, the same thing for the last 2 fishes that I did. These are gonna cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Sorry you guys for the sound effects. These are gonna cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on that side. And I really tell you, essentially I should have shortened this video. But hey, this is what we're doing. So you guys, again, let me please remind you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for your girl videos so you can see whenever I upload, you guys. So you can see all my videos. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. Okay, you guys, just join me. Join the Shay family. Join the Meal and a Blessing family. We don't just feed you over here, you guys. We uplift your spirit. We uplift your soul. We tell you God loves you and God is with you always. Don't matter what you're doing, God is always here, and we're here to just uplift you in your plates to make your food taste good, but in your soul, so you are saved in Jesus Christ. So Lord, guys, just come on over here and join my family over here. I'm essentially done, you guys. The fish is done. Now you see all 4 fish are out the pot. I am just showing that off a little bit more clearly. So there you go, you guys. That is how you make fried fish. Please, please, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell like I haven't told you enough already in this video. But I'm telling you again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell and share my video with everybody you know. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.